Hi, my name is Dalton.
And my name is Ben. We're going to be presenting this video about ratios and proportions.
What are proportions?
Proportions are a quantity of something that is part of a whole amount or number, or the relationship between two or more amounts or numbers, or between the parts of a whole.
Another way to think of proportions is two equal ratios. A fraction would be 1/2 equals 3/6. A proportion would be 1:2 as 3:6. Then simply cross-multiply. The proportion problem we have been given is a crayon box contains some red, blue, and green crayons. For every 5 red crayons, there are 2 blue crayons. For every 3 blue crayons, there are 5 green crayons.
Part A. Find the ratio of red crayons to blue crayons to green crayons.
Part B. When 6 red crayons are removed from the box, 3/7 of the remaining crayons were red. How many crayons are left in the box?
We hypothesized that the ratio is 15 to 6 to 10 because for every 5 red crayons, there are 2 blue crayons, and for every 3 blue crayons, there are 5 green crayons.
We explained the problem with this model. Before, the total is 2 times 15 equals 30. 2 times 6 equals 12. And 2 times 10 equals 20. So the ratio is 7.5 to 3 to 5. After, 3/7 times 56 equals 24. 2 times 12 equals 24. 2 times 6 equals 12. And 2 times 10 equals 20. Total crayons is 56, so the ratio is now 6 to 3 to 5.
Part A. 5 is to 2 as 3 is to 5. The first ratio is not proportionally equal to the second ratio, so we have an unequal proportion comparing 3 different elements. I can find a common factor with the blue crayons in relation to the red crayons and green crayons to combine the ratios in the proportion of 7.5 is to 3 is to 5.
Part B. Before, 7.5x plus 3x plus 5x equals y. So y equals 15.5x. After, there are 56 crayons left, and the ratio is now 6 to 3 to 5.
Here's another example of a proportion problem. If you have 18 red apples and 12 green apples and an unknown amount of yellow apples, and the ratio is 3 to 2 to 7, A, how many apples are in the bag, and B, how many yellow apples are there?
Solving the extension. A, first of all, 18 plus 12 equals 30. Then, you reduce 18 and 12 by the GCF, or greatest common factor, which is 6. And then multiply 7 by 6 to get 42. Add all the numbers up, and you get 72. B, 6 times 7 is 42, so there are 42 yellow apples in the bag.
Thank you for watching. Please click on the YouTube link above the video and leave questions and comments below.